So in this video, I'm going to talk about one of the newest products from Nanoleaf, the Nanoleaf Blocks. What is my thoughts about this one when I have so many products of them? Is it good? Is it bad? If you want to know everything about it, stay tuned until the end of the video. Hi everyone, Marcus here from madpack, and if you love tech, this is the place for you. And today we have another product from Nanoleaf that they sent here for us to do a review. And you know, I'm going to be completely honest, they sent it for free for me to show to you guys. It's a very, very good product. Nanoleaf is not cheap, but the quality that they can deliver is insane. And if I was just showing you products to make money, this is not the brand that pays me better. So I'm always here just to give you an honest review. I know that we normally do these unboxings on my studio, but you know, sometimes it's good to change. And I decided to do a few videos here because I already feel that sensation of Christmas. Before I start opening that, I forgot. Inside this box you'll get four little squares. You have this metal panel where you can put some headphones, and in the end you have also a shelf where you can put some pop art figures like this one from Black Mirror. I'm joking, I know that is from Cobra Kai. I'm joking, it's Eddie, and let me know if you know from which TV show it is on the comments below. Let's open the box, and when you are opening, on the top you have your little manual here that obviously you have your QR code that you'll be able to use it to connect to your smart home, so definitely a plus. You have this little piece of paper, you don't need it, and when you grab it, and just let me show to you guys, you lift it. Oh my god, oh my god. I was too confident, but normally you lift it slowly without doing all this effort. And I was not expecting this, but let's continue. Inside you have more bits, but we'll go there in a minute. So if you try to lift it up, be a little bit more careful because it's quite heavy. So you have these little panels, and they definitely remind me the panels that you'll get from the Skyline, but in a much smaller size, so definitely a plus. And another thing is, it doesn't seem that you need to open. And you have this little sticker here saying that you need to do pressure on the wall. So like I said, you have one, you have two, and between them you have this little piece of paper to don't scratch them. You have three, you have four, another little piece of paper. You have those little squares, like I said, and if I just put side by side, you can see the difference of size. So it's basically one of these is four of this. You have another square, but with this metal grid that I simply love it, and I can't wait to see this connected. Here is your little shelf where you can, like I said, put some pop art on top of it. Your charger, we have already seen multiple times on Nanoleaf products. I have to say they are massive, so I like that they were a little bit smaller, is what it is. And I'm not sure if this one you can do like other products that you can come closer and basically connect it to your Apple HomeKit. You have some screws, you have those connectors that we already know is the normal connectors that we always see in products from Nanoleaf, and I believe that they are 7. A lot of stickers and these little hooks that the design is really cool. You just have to put it on the top, slide down, and the other ones, they stay in place. So definitely a plus. In the end, I found another one. And last but not least, you have your remote with your QR code on the back. You also get this little piece of plastic that, I'm going to be honest, I don't know for what it is. And few other stickers on the inside that I'll have to look and to understand for what it is. So when we talk about installation, I have to say that this is another thing that I simply love about Nanoleaf. So you have this little press, if you want, that have some movement. So even if you attach this to the wall in a certain position and you need to move it slightly towards the side to be completely aligned, you'll be able to do it, so definitely a plus. But obviously this one, it can't be installed on the wall just with the stickers, like in this case, because this is super light and this one is quite heavy. So if you use just the tape, definitely this one will fall, no matter what you do. So this is just a quick look on this new product from Nanoleaf. And feel free to use the links on the description below that you can purchase this and other products from them much cheaper. And during this time, you have some discounts happening on their website, so definitely check the links on the description below. but this one was just a quick unboxing so you can see a little bit closer what Nanoleaf have to offer with their Nanoleaf blocks. My name is Marco, this is madpack. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, comment below, smash the thumbs up, do whatever you want, but always with a smile on your face, and I hope to see you in the next one, and maybe still talking a little bit more about Nanoleaf.